Guy, this defeat pain me seriously. I stayed up all night just to watch Arsenal trash Madrid women this night. I mean, it's so painful to see. I mean, these girls, like, I'm just busy them seriously. I mean, they have played so much lately, Sha. I mean, they play Barcelona, Arsenal, Barcelona, and Arsenal again. I mean, it's just so difficult. But anyhow, kudos to Arsenal women for qualifying tonight. But hey, my boys will revenge his defeat. I'm very sure. Don't worry. Mbappe, Vinicius, Rodrigo, you guys will do this for us. Like in the men's quarter final, we have to defeat Arsenal so that at least we'll have to get our revenge. Yeah. And also, I think Arsenal will not beat Lyon. This Arsenal female will not beat Lyon. I'm very sure because Lyon team this season they are in very mad form. I mean, they have won their last 8 games in Champions League, and obviously, I see them beating Arsenal in the semi-final. But hey, kudos to Arsenal for qualifying, and also kudos to my female team because you guys are good. You're just 5 years old, so obviously you guys are improving, and in the next 2 3 seasons you also should actually get the Champions League. But anyhow, kudos to Arsenal tonight again.